outside Metro Manila.
Yeah, this very organized group.
And it has a lot of members.
And they have
It's nice to have like club, especially cars.
and they also have
Yeah, I like car.
regional cruise, right?
Yes, sir.
Which show
Area
their
cruise.
own eyeballs too.
Yes, sir. Like Laguna Cruise.
Weekly.
This club is like the only kinda official club of Lancer, something like that, or there's another group.
Lancer only.
Actually, Mr. Lancer is a SEC registered car club. So we are basically
Because in our club we have
league.
we have so many clubs. yeah, so many color rooms.
So there's like
Our room is
rivalry.
one of the color room. Yeah.
your
Our club.
Volkswagen
Yeah.
club.
Our Volkswagen club is color room.
This is SEC registered.
Oh, we're not.
Pwedeng
We just
i-ano
make
to.
tambay every Saturday.
May stocks to.
Yeah. We make payabangan every Saturday night.
sila.
Bakit ganyan ang side mirror mo?
Pag
Like
1969,
that, oh.
1963 ka. Like that, right?
Ay, iba pare tunog ng start. Pangit. Ganun.
Parinigan. Kunyari
Payabang.
nagbibigay ng tip, pero sinisiraan ka.
Sinisiraan.
Oh my God.
Ganun.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please announce your website before we go into a break,
Yes.
Okay, so if
so they can be a member.
thank you, sir. If ever any one of you wants to take a peek at what Mitsu Lancer PH is all about, you can log on to our website. It's www.mitsulancerph. That's one word, mitsulancerph.net. So you can log on in, you can register, and you can view all about the club and all about Lancers.
Okay. Is there like a registration fee?
There's no registration fee. You can even join the club for no fee at all. No, we don't charge anything. You just have to attend. You just have to attend. You just have to make friends, and you just have to have fun. Basically, that's
All
it.
right. Commitment ito.
Yeah.
Astig.
When we come back from the break, we have more Mitsu Lancer PH guys.
Tama.
The Brew Rats Bring a Friend Tuesday.
Let's check the time. U92 time is 7:29 in the evening. Experience an upgrade unlike any other with Smart Gold Light. Gold standard, light price. Smart Gold Light.
Guys, guess what? I'm switching to postpaid.
But won't that
For short.
MLPH?
Yeah.
All
In their
right.
forum, they have plenty of things they talk about. It's like not only about cars, but stuff for sale too. And then stupid things. Like they joke about a lot of stuff. Like off-topic things.
So they're like, you get real friends.
Yan. Ayun no? They have a poll, eat bulaga or wawa wili. They're very profound.
What a poll.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
When did this organization start? Yeah.
Basically started.
This guy, what's your name?
My name is Richard.
Richard.
AKA Sardinas.
Yeah.
Richard. Hello, Richard.
Long-term Brewster, this guy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yun, bali nag-start siya mga April or May 2004.
April or May 2004.
Started just about around 10 members, tapos hanggang lumaki na ngayon.
10 lang nagayabangan na.
Hindi sila nagayabangan na. Sila Rastaman yan.
Kasawa na yung pagmamayabang natin sa isa't isa. Magtawag pa kayo. Magtawag pa kayo. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. When was this? Nung these 10 people nagsama-sama? Mga back in
2004.
2000.
Actually, to pay respect for another car club, Mitsu Lancer PH spinned off from a bigger car club. So we're not, hindi na lang po namin sasabihin with respect to them also. So it's just a spin-off. You know, it started as a small group. If I'm not mistaken, the first ever EB that was held, there were only 2 members that attended.
Sa first ever EB.
First ever EB, there was
It's very
just,
intimate. Dalawa lang sila.
Dalawa sila.
Man to man.
Man.
Bromance.
Ano to, pre?
Patay ako doon sa founder. No? 2 members, and then, after 6 years, ito na kami ngayon, 700 active, 9,000 forumers.
Nice.
9,000 formers. Yeah.
That's really cool.
And then, do you have like any activities aside from eyeball? Have like
Like events.
reach out. programs?
Oh yes, sir. Actually, no, the eyeballs, we do not limit the eyeballs to those, you show and tell your car or races, yung eyeballs, anything under the sun that we find common interest in. Sometimes car shows, sometimes outreach programs, especially nung nagkaroon ng Ondoy. Doon namin na feel yung love ng MLPHI family. Kasi talagang tulong-tulong. We have a lot of members that were affected by Ondoy, dearly affected by Ondoy.
Oo nga, no? Para kung yung mga lancer nila na nabaha, pwede kayo mag-share tips na parang, okay, anong parang ginawa mo, ayaw na mag-start, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that's cool.
And you guys have like some sort of fraternity? When someone beats up your car, you make bawi?
Wala naman initiation. Wala naman. Actually, we sometimes do have an initiation, pero it's more of para pahiyain yung maaming mga probationary members, it's we're trying to make a sort of a bond with them. So icebreaker konti, diba? So medyo papahiyain during the Grand Eyeball where about 200 to 300 people are watching you, papahiyain ka in front. Pero no physical naman, more on mental torture rather than physical torture kasi bawal yan.
Pare, ito ang crush mo ng grade 2. Okay. Sige, about when someone some member's car breaks down, can they make tawag?
Support?
Emergency ganyan.
Emergency support?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we don't have or kahit naiinip lang, as simple as that, mag-text ka lang or mag-log in ka lang sa MLPH. Rest assured, maraming susugod to help you. We have already had numerous stories thanking, members, not even officers, yung regular members, even sometimes probationary members. Sila pa yung nakakatulong doon. So, it's really a close-knit family kasi di ba nga sabi ni DJ Ramon kanina, we have a lot of nonsense dun sa forums. Actually, we opened it up. Actually, it's very true, half of the forum, nonsense yung nakalagay.
But it's fun.
Kasi we treat it as a family kasi, not as a car club per se.
Yun.
So that's why syempre sa pamilya, di ba? Hindi naman lagi kayo seryoso, kadalasan masaran, kalokohan. So,
like the Burats.
So I like these guys.
Family.
So yeah, you're talking about that. What are other benefits of joining a car club?
Basically the number one benefit that we can give you, it's just camaraderie, again, it's additional know-how, additional support whenever you need it.
Can you make bentahan sa piyesta you don't like?
Yeah.
Actually, sometimes, sir, kahit yung gusto namin, pag naawitan, ang hirap tumanggi. Ang hirap tumanggi. Kasi there are some rare parts. Sometimes, syempre, parang kapatid mo na rin yun pag umiyak.
Enthusiast na lang.
Lalo na pag medyo hot and sexy yung...
sorry. Meron kang floor mat na may sumpa. Sinumpa ng ermitanyo. Bebenta mo sa mga forum nila.
Para mapasama.
Oo.
Tama.
Subasta price. Ayan. About fun runs. You organize fun runs too?
Yes, sir. We have an upcoming fun run this May 29. It's at Subic International Raceway. We call it SIR Farewell Run, basically because the lease for the Subic International Raceway will unofficially, this is unofficial baka pumakot ako. It will lapse on January 2011. So we're trying to come up with a fun run this coming May 29 at Subic International Raceway. It's open to everybody. Para po farewell or pasasalamat rin kila Tito Cookie.
Yeah.
Maganda. Maybe DJ Ramon will join that fun run.
Dapat, sir, dapat.
Yeah. I will find
practice.
time.
Actually, kayo rin, ma'am, tsaka Sir Tado, baka gusto niyo po sumama. We can set up a shotgun.
Shotgun?
No.
DJ
Please explain shotgun for DJ Tado.
Shotgun style, it's when you don't drive the car, you just want to try to experience the track. So you sit at the passenger side. Shotgun passenger ka.
Shot-abod.
Parang
Shot-abod.
yung pinagpupustahan.
Balita.
Sa mga racing, pinagpupustahan ba kayo mga shot
Sir, pasensya na po, nung pustahan ganun, hindi pa yata po ako pinapanganak.
Pagpustahan natin yung shot mo.
Oh my God.
Batcher naman yan.
If you guys have any questions for their club, you can YM us at U92 FM Radio, or you can text us, type U92 space your message, and send it to 8933.
It's like Turbo Rats now. Because, kasi, meron ganun eh. Turbo Time. And Turbo Time, that's Mike Potenciano and Miss Lindy show. It's called Turbo Time. And then sometimes we merge.
And we become Turbo
in
Rats.
the twilight time. Yeah, become Turbo Rats. Like Turbo Rats.
He likes the idea.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do one more break and then come back with your questions. U92 Cool to be you.
Cats, the greatest